Love is in the air, in the rising of the sun. Love is in the air, when the day is nearly done. And I don't know if you're illusion.
Hey Steve, welcome to Hoover. Anyway, welcome to Hoover Tutor. Welcome to Hoover Tutor. It's the same for Blooming WFA train knocking on 40 spin double cast washing machine and Blooming TKF A4 5 2 again Z pump dry anyway and home of the Bosch WTN A32 service GB-A1 and then sets into dry anyway. So yeah, so anyway guys, we're currently using my auntie's Hoover VisionDynamic 9kg 4-inch spin AAA class DYN9144D3X washing machine anyway. Which apparently today guys we're using my auntie's Hoover VisionDynamic today anyway. Which unfortunately guys we haven't filmed this machine for quite a while actually anyway, because so yeah, so just fortunately today guys I thought I'd do some videos of the Hoover VisionDynamic DYN9144D3X washing machine anyway, so I thought I'd do some videos of that today anyway. So yeah, so as you may want to tell guys, we're going to be washing a few items of So yeah, we've got a few items of mixed colours anyway, so yeah. So yeah, just got a few items of colours anyway, but some sort of mixed whites and colours anyway. I'm just going to put them in anyway. And also liquid tablets, just named those already in anyway. So yeah, probably going to put extra on anyway. So yeah. So yeah. So yeah, it's going to be quite a big load again anyway, but yet again it's been quite a big load anyway, but anyway. Right, anyway. So detergent that we're going to be using today, we're going to be using some Persil 3-in-1 capsules anyway, which apparently I think Persil 3-in-1 capsules, I think that's the newer detergent we haven't used anyway. It's probably one of the newer detergent we haven't used anyway, it's Persil 3-in-1 capsules anyway. So yeah, apparently we haven't used that in the Hoover yet anyway. So yeah, apparently because we haven't used that one in the Hoover apparently anyway, that's probably the newer detergent that we haven't used anyway. It's probably one of the brand new detergents anyway, that we haven't used anyway. And then softener we're going to put in some Comfort Blue Skies in as well anyway. So no, we're just going to put some see softeners already in anyway. So yeah, really put extra in there because mine just already put extra softener in anyway. What program we're going to do on anyway, because actually I think we're going to stick on Rapid 44 anyway, because so yeah, we're just going to stick on Rapid 44 minutes, which we haven't used the cycle for ages anyway. So we're going to do so we're just going to do it on Rapid 44 minutes anyway, on this one with a valve and spin anyway. So probably just going to do it on Rapid cycle anyway. So we're just going to do it on 44-minute Rapids anyway. When we go first start anyway. I've got to say, this machine always does a few top ups anyway. I think because during the rapid cycle, I think it always does a few top ups anyway. Because I think the reason why, because there's just a few items of colours anyway, and there's a few lights as well anyway, because there's only sort of mixtures anyway. So it's catcher is just on main wash, and I catch that anyway. It's cheap. Hoover's just now main wash anyway. Hoover's just now his main wash anyway. So yeah, so anyway guys, as you may want to tell guys, not in sesame wash anyway, with Persil 3-1 capsules done by capsules anyway. So as you can see, this machine's got 21 minutes left, and it's got 21 minutes left anyway. In temperature, it's probably just about 40 degrees, I'll say anyway, because so as you can see, it's nearly reaching about 40 degrees anyway on main wash. So as you can see, it's just nearly reaching about 40 degrees anyway. So it's just catch rinse on first spin, so it's catch that anyway. It's cheap. Hoover is just nudging from the main wash, just doing the main wash anyway. So it's just doing the main wash anyway. So as you can see, we just got 30 minutes left, and it's got 30 minutes left anyway. And we're going for the first intermediate, and we're going for the first intermediate spin anyway. So apparently we're going for the first intermediate spin anyway. So yeah, this is the first intermediate spin we're going for anyway. Oh, Baz and Josh, it's first temp. Now going on a second temp. I think it only does 400 spin on this one apparently. I think it only does 400 spin on this one anyway. Because this machine only does 400 anyway. Can't remember what it does with it anyway, because I think it only does 400 spin anyway. There we are. The first win stage 1, there we are. 1 to the first wins anyway. The first win stage now anyway. First win stage. Bit surprising, this machine didn't do any suck sock this time anyway. So yeah, because surprisingly this machine didn't do any suck sock or nothing this time anyway. So yeah, unfortunately this machine didn't do any suck sock anyway. Which only does it on the colour cycle, it does suck sock anyway. Not very sure what wall level is going to do anyway, because I think it's probably going to do medium wall level anyway, because it's medium load you see anyway. I think because it's almost like a bigger size load of lights and colours anyway, apparently. I think that's probably going to fill up to about here anyway on this one, because I think it does medium wall level on this one apparently anyway. Actually thinking about it, I think it's probably going to do, oh yeah, it's just fill up to about here, I did anyway, only fill up to about here anyway. Also it does drains as well anyway. It drains quite quickly as well anyway, so I think it does very quick rinses anyway. So I thought I'd just do a whole rinse cycle anyway of the wrap heads anyway, and then pause the video and go to final spin anyway. There we are, draining anyway. There we are, we're draining. And then we're going for the second spin anyway. This is why this machine always does very quick rinses anyway on the wrap heads anyway. It's because during the rapid cycle I think it only does very quick rinses anyway. For even like 45 seconds it does anyway. It takes like 45 seconds to do the rinse anyway. Not sure whether we're perfect on balanced edge, you can say anyway. I think it looks like we're perfect on balanced edge, you can say anyway. I think this machine only does one burst anyway. And then it goes straight into front rinse anyway after that anyway. I think it only does one burst anyway. I think it's probably going to do the same burst what it did on the first spin anyway, I think. Oh yeah, nice and balanced edge, you can see anyway, perfect on balanced there. Oh bloody hell. That's just shaking that, isn't it? That's just shaking with the dryer there anyway. Dryer's just about to shake there, it was anyway. This machine always reminds me of doing that, it does anyway. It has a transit bolts to it anyway, or not anyway. Yeah, that's all it does anyway. Just one burst anyway, 400. There we are, win to front rinse anyway. It's front rinse now anyway. Which we're taking in the Comfort Blue Skies Creative Fabric Softener anyway. It's the Comfort Creative Blue Skies Fabric Softener we're taking in anyway. So power is this is the only software we're taking in anyway. God, it's really smell like softener for me, I can anyway. I can smell like conditioner for me anyway. Well, I covered about here this time anyway. Same all over I did on first rinse anyway. I'm probably going to pause the video and start straight into the final spin anyway. These cheap Hoovers just now doing from the final rinse, just out to final rinse anyway. So we're just doing from the final rinse anyway. So as you can see, this machine's only got about 3 minutes left in it. It's only got about 3 minutes left anyway. And we're going for the final spin anyway at 1,000 spin. We're going for the final spin at 1,000 anyway. Just going for the final spin at 1,000 anyway. It's 1,000 spin we're going for anyway. So we're going for the final spin at 1,000 anyway. So it's currently 1,000 spin we're going for anyway. So yeah, this is the final spin we're going for anyway at 1,000 RPM anyway. Oh, that's doing a bit of anti-crease anyway. There we are. That's doing a bit of anti-crease now anyway. Anyway, we're going in for the spin again now anyway. It's going to be 1,000 spin we're going for anyway. It's 1,000 spin we're going for anyway. A bit too unbalanced there anyway. It's first temp. Now going to second temp. Got 2 bands again, second temp, now I'm going on third temp. Third temp, now going on fourth temp. Fourth temp, we're going on fifth temp. That's 800. There we are, 1,000 spin. There we are, that's 1,000. Gotta say that was quite a short phone spin that was, that phone spin's quite short anyway, that was quite a short spin that was anyway, just out of 1,000 anyway. Anyway, we'll go away for this machine to lock anyway. I think it's just the only quick cycle we ever use really, the Hoover. I think this is the only most cycle we tend to use anyway on this machine, on my auntie's machine anyway, it's the rapid 44 minutes anyway. at 40 degrees anyway without them spin anyway. I think that's what my aunties tend to use most times, the most cycle anyway. Because basically she tends to use the most cycle all the time anyway, the rapids anyway. The rapid 44, all the rapid 30 minutes she tends to use anyway. Because, so yeah, because apparently, because I haven't done a rapid cycle for ages actually, in the Hoover anyway, in the Hoover VisionDynamic anyway. Which I'm filmed it quite well apparently anyway. The rapid cycle anyway. Which I think, I don't know what the next cycle will be anyway, because I don't know what the next cycle will be on the Hoover anyway. Might be going to synthetic cycle hopefully anyway. I think basically we only used synthetic, we did use synthetic 60 the other time anyway. Well, we did use synthetic 60 anyway. But hopefully we should probably do more videos with synthetics anyway, on the synthetic 60 side anyway, with sensitive care anyway. I think that's the only thing we could use anyway, probably use synthetic 60 anyway, or the Cottons Plus pre-wash anyway, but however anyway. Oh yeah, you should probably see there's so much water in there anyway. Just the only machine, this is the only cycle we probably tend to use right now anyway, the rapids anyway. Definitely going to see what the results looks like anyway. And then, because after that, because I think for the next video I probably should film the Becca anyway, the Becca dry anyway. Takes only 2 minutes to unlock, it does anyway. Like it always does anyway. Right, let's check to see what the results are anyway, but oh there guys, put the camera there in a minute anyway. Oh, sorry about that, but let's check to see the results anyway, but they look perfectly fine in spin, as you can see anyway. Oh my god, the smell of that comfort creative blue skies, that always comes out so nice, it does anyway. Came out so nice, it did anyway. Probably smell of that comfort anyway, and Persil anyway. Because they always come out so nice, it does anyway. They all come out so nice, they do anyway. Oh well, something that's stuck in paddles anyway. They're not supposed to be in, thank god. I don't know why, because I don't know why it's stuck in there anyway, because they always do anyway. It's just always a piece of wrapping stuff anyway. So you see in there, it's just a piece of something that's stuck by the paddles anyway. On that bit as well anyway. It's always stuck in that blooming paddles anyway. I think it's because my aunties, I think the trouble is with my aunties though, she never ever just checks out the pockets anyway for the clothes. Anyway. She never ever just checks out the pockets anyway. Which for me, I try to tend to do anyway. Like I did on the Bosch Very Perfect anyway, my grandparents is one anyway. Then I used to end up checking the pockets anyway. That's what my aunties never tried to do anyway. She never ever tries to check out the pockets anyway. So yeah, so anyway guys, I hope it's just with my aunties Hoover VisionDynamic 9kg 3 spin AAA class DYN9144D3X washing machine anyway. Hopefully we should do more videos of that, hopefully Christ anyway, of the Hoover VisionDynamic anyway. Probably the more rapid cycle. But we should do more videos of rapid cycle anyway. All the synthetics anyway. However, we should do, or maybe going back to do the colour cycle anyway. Or the other thing we haven't used is the Cottons Plus pre-wash anyway. We haven't used the Cottons Plus pre-wash yet anyway. That's the new thing we should do anyway. Probably do Cottons Plus pre-wash anyway on the Hoover VisionDynamic anyway. But probably do Cottons Plus pre-wash next anyway. Or maybe going on to Active Eco 20 degrees anyway. Don't know how long that Active Eco 20 degrees looks like anyway. It's basically, I think the Active Eco 20 degrees is 1 hour 48 on this one anyway. With max temperatures only about 20 degrees anyway, but without time wash anyway. So yeah. But you only can use sensitive care if you want to though. Badly, and you can't have stained bluster anyway. Yeah, but I think the Active Eco 20 degrees we should probably be the next cycle anyway. Probably doing Active Eco 20 degrees anyway. Probably might be the same load of colours apparently. It might be the same load or a different load anyway. But we'll have to wait and see anyway. But I think it might be the different load or the same load anyway. That we could probably do on anyway. So yeah, so anyway guys, I hope just by the way. So yeah, just say guys, stay tuned. However you're on YouTube, stay tuned. Whether you're on YouTube and Screen B, whether you're on YouTube, Screen B, whether you're on YouTube and Screen Requests, So yeah, just give me a request ready from my auntie's Hoover 9kg 40 spin AAA class DYN9144D3X washing machine anyway. Or the ones up there is the Beko EcoGender Technology AQ AA class DX A3410UW, the 10W I believe anyway. It's not a UW anyway, because that's a Samsung I believe anyway. So yeah, see me guys, just give me credits for all these two machines, and whether the Hoover or the Beko anyway, which I will from the Beko in a minute apparently anyway, because I will from the Beko in just in the short time anyway. So yeah, so anyway guys, I hope you just read right. So yeah, we should move on to Ativico 20 degrees next anyway, but we should haven't used that apparently anyway. So yeah, I think for the next cycle we should do the Ativico 20 degrees anyway. So yeah, and that's it for me guys. Don't forget, keep it supreme and good hobby another.